P block elements from group 13 to group 18 are placed in P block of periodic table. Group 15 elements. Group 15 contains 5 elements. Group 15 elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen is in the gas form. 78% of the atmosphere contains molecular nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is one of the coldest substances. Phosphorus. These are the main components of the phosphate rocks. Phosphorus are the essential constituent of animals and plants. Arsenic is a metalloid mainly found as sulfide minerals. Antimony is a metalloid and mainly found as sulfide minerals. Bismuth is the only metal in the group 15. Electronic configuration. S orbitals of these elements contains 2 electrons. So, this orbital is completely filled, and p orbital have capacity to have 6 electrons. Group 15 elements contains 3 electrons in p orbital. So, p orbitals of these elements are half-filled. This makes their electronic configuration more stable. Physical properties of group 15. Nitrogen is the only gas in this group. Remaining all elements are solids. Nitrogen and phosphorus are nonmetals. Arsenic and antimony are metalloids. Bismuth is the only metal in this group. Boiling point increases as we move from top to bottom, and melting point increases from top to bottom till arsenic, and then decreases.